If you're looking for a way to connect Webflow to Claude in 2026, you're going to see a lot of things talking about MCP servers, the AI overview as MCP server, the Webflow official connector as an MCP server. And MCP servers are fine if you want to give AI direct access to edit your content, but I don't think that's a great idea. So I'm going to show you what is a much, much better way to do this. So we're going to use a desktop app called Scratch. You can find more about it at scratch.md, download it, free trial. And I have it already on my computer here. And what I've done is I've pulled in the WhaleSync blog. So the WhaleSync blog is over here. It's a Webflow site. We've been on Webflow for a long time. And here's a example post, 5 AI workflows for content housekeeping. And I've got that post. You can see it here. Now I'm going to kick off a quick edit with Claude on that file. And while it's doing that, I just want to show you how this is actually set up. So Scratch, the desktop app, pulls all of the content from Webflow's API, saves it as files. And if I open up Finder here, we can see Webflow, WhaleSync live site, blog post, and then here's that blog post. And it's in a file format that's not great for you, but is perfect for AI because it understands exactly what to do with that. So I can go ahead and close that now. And what's going to happen is Claude will edit the files on my laptop, not the actual Webflow site. So I can review those changes here. Claude can work very quickly, can use the CLI tools and the various commands and write Python scripts and do all the things that it's really great at. And I can then quickly and easily review any edits that it's making. Now, for this demo, I'm only doing one edit just because Claude can take a little while to work. But what's great about Scratch is you can kick off a long-running task with one Claude or 2 or 3 or 5 Claudes, and then you can work on other stuff, come back in an hour, and every single change that was made to those files will be here on your laptop to review. You can review them very quickly. Everything in the Scratch UI is made to make your reviewing as quickly as possible to save you as much time as possible. And then when you like the result, you hit publish, and then it goes straight to your live site. All right, so it looks like we are editing the file now. So Claude has gone through and figured out what we're trying to do. As soon as the edit's made, it shows up here. And we can filter. When you have a lot of files, it's helpful to just filter down to the ones that Claude has changed. So we hit filter there. Here it is. Now, if we were just doing titles or some other metadata edits, this would be the best view. But for what we're doing, let's open that file up directly. We can come in here and expand it. And this is really the best thing about this is I can see very quickly what Claude did not edit, right? So anything that's not red over here has not been deleted, and only the blue over here has been added. So if I liked this post when I started, I only have to review the things that Claude changed here. I don't have to reread 3,000 or 5,000 words. So I'm going to take a second to read this. Perfect. I love it. That's exactly what I was looking for. I think it's making one more edit, or is it just checking? Yeah, looks good. I'm going to go ahead and approve this. And we can come in here. We see we have one approved change, and then we will hit publish all. This is going to publish those really quick. I'll refresh here again just to show you, see if I can get it done in time. Okay, so it hasn't updated yet, right? So you can see because it hadn't published. Now we're going to hit publish. This should send that out to Webflow. Then we'll refresh again in a second here. We'll make sure that Webflow is actually published and give them a couple of seconds to update their database. There we go. It says that it's published. Let's come out here, refresh this. And look at that. We've got that on our live site. The best way we found to run all 5, Scratch, an AI native workspace, build specific for content. Perfect. So just like that, you can see if you want to connect Webflow to Claude in 2026, the way better, way faster way to do it is going to be with Scratch. So give Scratch a look. It's at scratch.md. You can try it for free right now. And we'd love to hear any feedback from you. Can't wait to see what you guys do with this.